Home remedies for sciatica. Cold therapy. Cold therapy is the reverse of hot therapy. However, the end results are the same. This is yet another very effective home remedy against the pain caused due to sciatica. The best thing about hot and cold therapies is that they offer instantaneous pain relief. Cold therapy is best in such cases of sciatic pain where the touch is hot. Heat therapy. Heat therapy is one of the best home remedies for instantaneous relief from sciatic pain. This is a very effective remedy, especially during winters. Winter season results in compression in muscles and nerves that result in sciatic pain. Thus, the application of heat therapy eases the discomfort caused due to the cold weather. Hot water bottle can be applied to the place of pain origin. Rest. This is the most important step in healing any illness or injury, so be sure your body is getting plenty of rest. If necessary, take time from work or school to sleep and allow your back to heal. Wear a back brace. This will help to support your back and reduce further strain on the nerve. If necessary, you can also use a cane or crutches to aid in walking. Grapes. Grapes are very common and regular citrus fruits that offer various health benefits. Since grapes are anti-inflammatory fruits, they form a powerful home remedy for sciatica. Inflammation leads to swelling, which causes heating pain in the sciatic nerve. Consumption of anti-inflammatory fruits like grapes automatically reduces inflammation. Decreased inflammation automatically reduces swelling and the burning sensation. Moreover, reduced inflammation also eases the tense muscles. Lemon. Lemon is a very common kitchen ingredient that can effectively work against the problem of sciatica. Vitamin C is an anti-inflammatory vitamin that reduces swelling, soreness and pain. Since lemon is a warehouse of vitamin C, it is a very powerful home remedy against sciatica. The consumption of lemon juice increases the level of vitamin C in the human body. Vitamin C directly reduces the inflammation and sciatic pain subsides. Water. Water is already considered essential for the human body. However, it is a lesser known fact that consuming water decreases sciatic pain. Thus, water is yet another home remedy that naturally cures sciatica. Water is a natural lubricant that offers elasticity to the muscles and nerves. Thus, consumption of water eases the muscular strain. This cures the pinching spasm caused due to sciatica. Stay in shape. Weight gain and obesity can both lead to compressing the sciatic nerve. Regular exercise and a healthy diet can both help to reduce pain associated with sciatica. Exercises. Maintain exercises and therapy. Regularly practice the exercises that help to treat sciatica post-recovery, including crunches and leg stretches. Turmeric. Turmeric is another effective natural remedy for sciatica because of its anti-inflammatory properties. It contains a compound called curcumin that helps reduce nerve pain and inflammation. Massage. Massage therapy can relieve sciatica pain and also help the body heal itself, especially if the problem is caused by a muscle spasm. Plus, it helps release tension, stimulate circulation and increase the range of motion.